Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to learn the adjectives in Greek language. The adjectives are describing words to the nouns. I made a video about the nouns and I will leave you down below in the comments so you can have a quick look at it. In Greek language the nouns have three genders, the masculine, the feminine and the neuter. And the adjectives have to always agree with the noun in gender, case and number. That means that the adjectives will change their endings according to the nouns that they describe each time. Let's say ο καλός, which means good, has three variations. Ο καλός, it's the masculine, η καλή is the feminine, and το καλό is the neutral. Let's see it in action. Quick note here, all the nouns that I'm going to be saying are in nominative case and they're in singular. Now let's see the adjectives in action. Ο καλός άνθρωπος, the good human being. Η καλή δασκάλα, the good teacher. Το καλό φαγητό, the good food. Έξυπνος, smart. Ο έξυπνος κύριος, the smart gentleman. Η έξυπνη κοπέλα, the smart girl. Το έξυπνο σπίτι, the smart house. Καθαρός, which means clean. Ο καθαρός ουρανός, the clean sky. Η καθαρή κουζίνα, the clean kitchen. Το καθαρό τετράδιο, the clean notebook. Άδειος, which means empty. Ο άδειος χώρος, the empty space. Η άδεια βιβλιοθήκη, the empty bookshelf or library. Βιβλιοθήκη has two meanings. Το άδειο σπίτι, the empty house. Colors are adjectives as well, so let's see some colors. Κόκκινος, ο κόκκινος καθρέφτης, the red mirror. Η κόκκινη κουζίνα, the red kitchen. Το κόκκινο φόρεμα, the red dress. Πράσινος, which means green. Ο πράσινος κήπος, the green garden. Η πράσινη κουρτίνα, the green curtain. Το πράσινο γρασίδι, the green grass. Γαλάζιος, which is light blue. Ο γαλάζιος ουρανός, the light blue sky. Η γαλάζια θάλασσα, the light blue sea. Το γαλάζιο παντελόνι, the light blue trousers. That's it with the adjectives today. Please give me your thoughts about the video in the comments down below. Write me down ideas of future videos that you want me to make or recommendations. It's always helpful. Subscribe and like the video if you liked it. I would highly appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.